What's up guys, it's MartyBlendz back with another cinematic tutorial. Today I have a high fade for y'all. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn those bell notifications on. Now the first step is to always clip away the section you're not gonna cut. With your preferred trimmer, make your baseline, but don't go up too high because we'll need space for the blend itself. Also, make sure both sides are symmetrical, as this step is very important. With your lever open, create a half-inch guideline all around. Slap on the 1.5 guard open and go up about a full inch. Close up the lever fully without a guard. You now want to hit that first guideline halfway, gradually opening as you move upward. Next, using the half guard halfway open, create a half-inch guideline. Now just open up the lever fully and go up about a 1/4 inch. On here I just went over the 1.5 guide I made earlier. The number 1 in this case is optional. If you do think you'll need it, just play around with the lever and soften everything up. Guys, if you do want to get a hold of these guards I use, make sure to check out my website MartyBlendz.com. The link will also be down in the description. Finally, using your half guard fully closed, take out that last visible line, preferably using your corners. If by any chance you are still able to see the line, take off the guard and open up that lever. This should take it out completely and have your blend looking blurry. If you don't seem to be understanding some steps, remember that it does take time to become a good barber. Study the game and know that this is a form of art. Using my trimmers, I made space for my shaver to fit in. This way I don't lose myself when I remove everything with my trimmer. I then remove all excess hair and shave everything underneath. Detail and make sure that fade looks appealing to the eye. Clipper over comb if needed. Guys, I will have a lineup and shear work tutorial soon, so stay tuned for that. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'll see you all in the next one.